Yes, ma'am. I'm John Christian. I'm John Christian de la Cruz. I'm here to ask you some questions for our topic.
Okay.
Have you tried using a smartboard?
No. But my friends who are also teachers, they are starting to use the smartboards on their own schools.
What can you say about the smartboards?
As far as I remember, smartboards are quite interactive. So you need to support the computers with internet access.
Do you think the smartboard can help students more?
Of course, using technology today, and students are tested in the teacher's lessons because they will be more actively participating in discussions.
Thank you. That's all.
Welcome.